Hello children.
Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am.
Did you all have your food today?
Yes ma'am.
How many of you go to market with your parents?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, I.
Very good. Then you all must be able to identify the pictures here. So, can you tell me what are the different kinds of fruits and vegetables you see in the picture?
Ma'am, apple and orange.
Ma'am, papaya and watermelon.
Tomatoes and potatoes. Carrot and brinjal.
Where do we buy these vegetables from?
Ma'am, market.
Ma'am, shopping mall.
Ma'am, vegetable vendor who comes to street.
Who produce vegetables for us?
Ma'am, farmers produces vegetables for us.
How many of your parents are farmers?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
mine.
I.
Good. Where do farmers work?
Ma'am, field.
Ma'am, garden.
Ma'am, farm.
Yes, the garden near your home where we produce vegetables is called kitchen garden. Children, do you know the difference between farm and field?
Ma'am, both are used for farming.
The difference between farm and field is farm in general is used to grow one kind of crop, whereas field is a wide area. It is used for both farming and other purposes. Sucheta, what are the various kind of crops that are grown by your father?
Ma'am, my father grows some paddies and some other vegetables during winter.
Very good. So, in today's class, we will be discussing about a story of a boy named Basava whose father is a farmer. Once upon a time, in a village named Belvanika, there lived a boy Basava whose father was a farmer. Every year in the month of July, he used to sow the onion seeds. There are many things that are involved in the process of onion crop. His appa means father has been using khunti, that is an iron rod, for loosening the soil. Now children, can you tell me what are the various kind of implements that are used for loosening the soil?
Ma'am, shovel and spade.
Ma'am, axe.
Ma'am, rake, sickle, etc. Ma'am, I have seen a tractor being used in farm.
Let us see different implements through the video. In farming, the various kind of implements used are farm truck, loader, sprinkler and various other instruments used for farming. How many of you have observed these instruments?
Ma'am, I have seen a plough and a farm truck. Ma'am, and I have seen a cultivator.
Very good children. Now we will be learning about the Basava story. Like every year, this year too, Basava's father will sow the onion seeds and the bullocks will pull the kurige and Appa will walk behind them.
Ma'am, what do we mean by kurige?
Let us understand the meaning of kurige through the video. The instrument which is shown here is called kurige, which is pulled by the bulls. This device is used to pull through the ground in order to break it upon into furrows for planting the seeds, and that is sowing of seeds. Basava would also like to do this just like his father. Children, can you tell me what do you mean by furrowing?
No, ma'am.
Children, furrowing is making of small parallel channels that are made to carry water and for sprinkling the seeds and sowing of seeds. Now, we will see how farming is done through a video. Like in the video, can you tell me what are the various animals that are used for farming?
Ma'am, buffalo.
Ma'am, ox.
Ma'am, cow.
Very good students. Let's learn about Basava's story. Basava's father says that Basava may drop too many seeds in the same place. For this, he need to grow little bit older. The skill of dropping seeds in the right amount is not so easy. It can be learnt in the later stage. So children, can you tell me what will happen if too many seeds will be fallen in one place?
Ma'am, the plants will not grow properly.
Okay, as we all know, Basava's father has already sown the onion seeds. So can you tell me what will be the next step?
Ma'am, small plants will come.
Ma'am, watering the plants.
Good. The next step in the onion crop is sprouting of onions. Do you know what is sprouting?
Ma'am, sometimes we eat it in our breakfast.
Do you know how do they prepare sprouts?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know, ma'am.
To prepare the sprouts, the seeds are soaked overnight. After removing the excess of water, morning we will be putting it in a moist cloth and tying it. Within one day, the seeds will come up, will start sprouting. Now, let's get back to the Basava story. After sowing the onion seeds for about 20 days, the small onion plants will start to come. Along with the onion plants, weeds will also come up. Do you know what are weeds?
Ma'am, grasses and small bushy plants.
Yes, weeds grow in our farm without being planted. They are unnecessary plants. Children, what will happen if there are more weeds in the farm?
Ma'am, they will grow more in number.
Yes, they will grow more in number. For this reason, Basava's father says that we must remove weeds on time by using fertilizers. Do you know what are fertilizers?
Ma'am, that is food for plants. Ma'am, it is vitamin for plants.
A fertilizer is a chemical or a natural substance which is used in the soil for increasing its fertility. As we have learnt that weeds are unnecessary plants. So, if there are so many weeds, the plants will not grow properly. So, the onion plant will also not grow properly. Baswa's mother, uncle and Baswa himself is helping Baswa's father to remove the weeds. Children, we know that weeds take up all the fertilizers that are provided for the plants. Similarly, we may learn very good things in the school, but we need to keep a check on our thoughts so that we should not grow the weeds like anger, jealousy, hatredness, stealing, cheating and other bad habits. Now children, can you tell me what will happen after we remove the weeds?
Ma'am, plants will grow in a healthier way.
Very good children. The plants will grow in a healthier way. Now, in the next step, after the sprouting of the onions, the plants are grown enough to reach Baswa's knees. Now, the leaves have started turning yellow and they have started drying up. Now, the onions are ready to be taken out. Children, can you tell me the leaves of the onion, can it be used for any other purpose?
Ma'am, they can be used as spring onion.
Yes, when the onions are young, they can be used as spring onions. And it is necessary to know the right time to cut the onion crops. If they are not cut in time, they will get rotten. Do you know what is the meaning of rotten?
Ma'am, it means getting spoiled.
Yes, it means getting spoiled. Children, you would have observed fruits and vegetables getting spoiled in your home. That is only called as rottening. At this stage, everyone in Baswa's home is helping Baswa's father to remove the onions so that they can go and sell them in a market. Now, do you all like to help your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, as we know that our parents do a lot of hard work, so we need to respect their work. It is called as dignity of labor. Every work is good and respectful when it is serving the society. The crop is now ready to be taken out and sold in the market. Everyone at Baswa's home is very happy because now the onions are grown big and healthy. Before the onions are taken to the market, Baswa's mother and aunt cut the dry leaves over the onion with a sharp implement called ilige. Do you know what is an ilige?
No, ma'am.
Ilige is a sharp implement which is used for cutting. People even use it for cutting the vegetables. Let us see the image of ilige.
Ma'am, it is there in my home too. My mother uses it to cut vegetables.
You know what? One should be very careful while using the ilige because our fingers should not get cut. Baswa's father and uncle fills onion into the sacks. His appa is now ready to take the onions to the big market and sell them. Now, can you tell me what are the various transports that are used to carry the crops?
Ma'am, lorry.
Ma'am, tractor.
And bullock. Ma'am, luggage auto.
Very good children. Baswa's father also used truck to carry the onions to the market. So children, today we have learned about the entire process of onion crop. Children, as we know, it takes a lot of hard work to produce the food. After the lot of hard work which is done by the farmers, they produce food for our survival. Those who produce food for our country are called as backbone of our nation.
Our second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri, recognized the contribution of soldiers and farmers for the nation.
And to encourage them, he gave a slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Hail the soldiers, hail the farmers. Recently, Government of India is taking several steps to ensure that we are well prepared to face the challenges posed by COVID-19. With the active support of citizens of India, we have been able to shift our migrant workers, some of them were actually farmers, from urban areas back to their homes. This increased our agricultural laborers. Our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has started Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is Self-Reliant India, to strengthen the people of our country. So children, in today's class we have learnt about Basava's farm, that is farming. We have also learnt about various implements that are used for farming. We have also learned the difference between farm and field. Lastly, we have learned about the entire process of onion crop. Now, did you enjoy the class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you.